Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Now we're going to be breaking down the steps that we follow in order to set up your Zoho Campaign Action Automation for workflows. This is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your agency and connect to your Zoho platform, and more importantly, execute actions directly from the workflow for your Zoho platform. So let's get the ball rolling. At your agency view, you go at the app market, you search for campaign, we go at install, we select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed, sub account 1, continue, we go at allow and install, we choose a plan, we confirm. You automatically open a new window in order to copy the custom menu name URL. Click on this, you make sure it's copied, you switch back to the agency. It's time to create the custom menu link. So you go at settings, custom menu link. We're going to create. We need to fill this form, so we can start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. Select the icon and you scroll down, you type a name. How do you want to name your custom menu link? Before we move forward, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. So I'm gonna show it to you later. We scroll down and here we paste the custom menu link URL. When we're down, we scroll down. We'll select the accounts where we want all the tools to be available, and here we can choose whether you want to give access to unusers or to all users. When we're down, we scroll down and we make sure we save. The next step is to switch to the sub account in order to connect the tool to our Zoho platform. So we go and search for the custom menu link. Remember, I told you that we named our custom menu link Greg app. So if you guys name your custom menu name differently, like my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So we go and Greg. We have the apps available, all the tools that you'll be installing. And here all the tools that are connected. It's type Zoho. It means they're already connected. We go on Zoho Camp. There you go. We have Zoho campaign. And now the next step is to connect the tool to our Zoho CRM platform. So how do we go about it? We just have to go on setup, and there are some credentials required in order to get the installation going. We just provide the client ID and the client secret. But before we go any further though, you can read how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to some smart cues. You how to get all those credentials. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Zoho platform. We're inside Zoho. Once you down register, you can come here. You have to provide some information. Okay. First and foremost, make sure you update the redirect URL. Okay. We have a redirect URL here, so we need to update this. Let's switch back this one, and we copy the redirect URL. We make sure it's copied. Switch back, paste, we update. Perfect. We come back here, and we come here on client secret. We have the client ID and the client secret. So let's copy the client ID, paste. We go back and copy the client secret. But before we submit, make sure that your console is connected to your Zoho CRM. Okay. So how do we do it? So you go in your accounts and you come up here, you type, you click, scroll down to campaigns, you click on it, and you follow all the steps in order to connect the tool, and you get this one. Okay? When you're done, you switch back, you submit, and now you're ready to go. The tool is already connected to your Zoho platform, and now you guys are able to execute actions directly from your workflow for your Zoho platform. So guys, if you ever have any, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team also 7 to answer to your other questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up, and thank you for watching.